So hi guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about Symbiosis Law Entrance All India Admission Test for Law 3 years. So in this video we will see that how you will get admission in Symbiosis for LLB 3 years. Okay, so let's check the official website of Symbiosis and understand the details about All India Admission Test. So here we are on the official website of Symbiosis Law School Pune, and over here you will see that is All India Admission Test will be conducted through home based online proctored mode. Admission process for 3 years LLB program for academic year 2021 and 22. So this is the entire detail about 3-year LLB admission process for 2021. If you scroll down, this is the duration of the course and intake capacity is 60. Now next is eligibility. The candidate should be graduate from any recognized university with minimum 45% marks obtained grade, okay, and 40% for reservation criteria. Now if you see admission process, so first step is apply online, and after that there is a All India Admission Test, that is AIAT. So we will see what is the examination pattern of AIAT. So over here AIAT broadly consists of written test and personal interaction. Okay, so online written test, as it is home based proctored mode test, so online written test will be there. AIAT comprising of writing sample, subjective descriptive answer, WS2 subjective question of 20 marks each, total for 40 marks. So 2 question will be there of writing sample and that will carry 40 marks. It is for 65 minutes and plus 10 objective questions. So 10 objective, that is MCQ, it will be there for 20 marks. So 40 plus 20, it is 60 marks related to socio-legal, current and contemporary topics for 20 minutes. Okay, immediately followed by online psychometric test of 20 minutes for 10 marks. So 40 plus 20 plus 10, it is now 70 marks, and after this there will be a limit of answer of the question. Once the time limit is over, candidate will lose the opportunity to write the answer of the question. So time limit बना रहेगा 65 minutes, 20 minutes and 20 minutes. Date of home based online proctored mode AIAT will be conducted on 13th of July. So 13th of July को ये आपका एग्जाम कंडक्ट होगा, and after this there will be online personal interview. Let me tell you guys, अगर आपने एंट्रेंस क्रैक भी कर लिया तो आप खुश मत हो जाइएगा कि हाँ वी विल गेट एडमिशन इन सिम्बायोसिस. नो, सो देर विल बी प्रॉपर ऑनलाइन पर्सनल इंटरेक्शन which will carry 30 marks. So now it is 100 marks. So 40 marks will be of writing sample, 20 marks will be of objective question and 10 marks will be psychometric test, that is 70, and 30 marks will carry interview. So online personal interview. अब देखते हैं कि ये कब होगा आपका. So schedule for Symbiosis Law School Pune will conduct online personal interaction on 26 and 27 July 2021 for LLB 3 years. Time for PI, each candidate will get maximum up to 6 to 8 minutes for PI. The candidates needs to ready at the given time without any excuse by following instruction given by Symbiosis Law School and Symbiosis International University. Now यहाँ पे एक नोट भी उन्होंने दिया है, you are requested to upload soft copy of statement of purpose SOP. आप क्यों LLB 3 years करना चाहते हैं उसके लिए आपको एक SOP बना के सॉफ्ट कॉपी देना है, एंड नॉट मोर देन 250 वर्ड. 250 वर्ड से वो ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, एंड सॉफ्ट कॉपी ऑफ 1 लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन मेंशनिंग conduct, character trait, etc. reference letter shall be from the head supervisor professor of your institute, college, and other relevant documents as per the schedule for AIAT. And after successful completion of AIAT, invited for PI process provided by the institute. मतलब क्या, अगर आपने AIAT that is All India Admission Test में अच्छा स्कोर किया, then you will be invited for personal interview. After the personal interview, then only you will get admission in Symbiosis Law School. Candidate need to keep original document including the SOP and reference letter LOR for the PI process. So आपको ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट, आपके जो भी मार्कशीट वगैरह है, सारी चीज़ें आपको रखना है, एंड एसओपी भी आपको साथ रखना है, एंड रेफरेंस लेटर जो आपको हेड एंड सुपरवाइजर या आपके प्रोफेसर से, इंस्टीट्यूशन से लाना है. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज़ देयर. देर विल बी नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग फॉर AIAT, दैट इज ऑल इंडिया एडमिशन टेस्ट के लिए आपको कोई भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं रहेगी, एज वेल एज पर्सनल इंटरव्यू के लिए भी कोई भी आपको नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होगी. सो नाउ गाइज, दिस इज अबाउट PI. now let me guide you guys where you will get the course for All India admission test for Symbiosis Law School Pune. So this is our website manvaredu.com. Just click on buy online, click on law entrance. So we have full course, books, study material, mock test and sectional course. If you click on full course, show packages, and over here if you see Symbiosis All India Admission Test AIAT, that is 3 years LLB. So if you click on just view details, so you will get in this 22 video lectures and 1 handouts for AIAT. So that's it guys in this video. If you want preparation for law entrance for year 2021, 22 and 23, you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number 8828581455. And if you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manvaredu.com/law entrance. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. Guys, we have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for law entrance. You can subscribe to this channel also. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.